a recipe video, but since that recipe is supposed to be my dinner, I'm thinking I share with you what I ate in a day. So this is going to be somewhat what I ate in a day kind of video for my weight loss program. And last week I kind of slacked, as I wasn't meant to slack, but sometimes something happened. My relationship with food is very complex, so I just ate and ate and ate. Anyway, aside from that, so I was making a recipe video which is going to be like a tray bake kind of chicken. It's going to be a honey glazed tray bake chicken, a honey glazed chicken tray bake. I don't know why I come up with these recipes that have such long names. Well, I guess it's because I try to mention all the ingredients that I love, but okay, that aside, I'm going to have that with baked sweet potatoes, and this is a very quick and easy recipe as long as you prep everything, although you have to like marinate the chicken for 2 hours, but it's not like hard work. Just put all the ingredients you want together. Like I'm going to show you what mine are. You can switch them and put to your liking. And sweet potatoes baked, oven baked, so as long as you cut everything, just put it up in the oven and wait for it to get ready. So we're going to start with the potatoes because they take a shorter time, and the chicken is in the fridge marinating. I'll show you what I marinated it with a little bit later, but for now just add salt, pepper, some coconut oil, a tablespoon. Just mix all that stuff together and then put it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 to 30 minutes, and yeah, that's it. I'm waiting for the oven to preheat, and once it preheats, I'm going to put the potatoes in. I made 2 batches. Wait a minute, let me go bring them for you. I made these 2 batches, and I have to put those in like at the same time. I can't put them in with the chicken. So while this is going on, I'm going to prep my chicken. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with it. It includes peppers. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe, because for me as I'm trying to like be on a diet and eat healthier, this is how I'm like maintaining a healthy diet. Oh, and I was supposed to tell you, it was supposed to be a what I ate in a day video. So for breakfast I shared this on Instagram, and if you guys want to see like more kind of daily recipes, healthy, because I cannot like vlog every day, but if you want to see some healthier recipes on a daily basis, just follow me on Instagram, and maybe you'll get some motivation, fitness motivation, workout motivation, and all that stuff. Also, you'll be updated when I upload a new video. So anyway, for breakfast, as I was saying, I talk too much, sorry about that. For breakfast, I had an omelette cooked in coconut oil. I have an obsession for coconut oil lately, and with sauteed mushrooms and onion on the side, plus fresh tomato. And for me, and a salad, I put a bed of salad, because for me, if the bigger the meal, so the salad helps fill me up, and the coconut oil like keeps me fuller for longer, because it's like healthy fat, and then the proteins in the egg. It's just the perfect after workout breakfast. Anyway, so I had that for breakfast, and then that was at midday, because I kind of intermittent fast, not like intentionally, it just happens. So that was like at midday, and then at around 2 I had like 3 teaspoons of Greek yogurt, like all natural 0% fat Greek yogurt, and I had a banana, and yeah, and a handful of nuts. So that's what I've basically been munching on, and right now it's 4. So I'm making dinner, which is, I already told you what it is, and now our oven is preheated, so let's just put that in. And now for the chicken, basically what you need for the chicken marinade is some salt, pepper, paprika, some soy sauce, and mix that all up together. Then add some honey, and after the honey add some chili. This is totally optional depending on how hot you like your food. Garlic, which is also optional, and then some Dijon mustard, because we're making mustard chicken here. Mix that up all together, and it's ready. Our marinade is ready. Just add the before you're adding the chicken to it, just make some little holes in the chicken to put garlic. I love garlic because it's really good for you, and I try anyway to incorporate it. So just put that in the marinade, and we're going to put it in the fridge for as long as you can. And when time for baking comes, you're just going to bake it at 360 for about an hour, and yeah, that's it. So basically you just get all the peppers. You don't even have to cut them in a certain order, but I think I'm kind of OCD to make them look neat. You can just tear it apart, but I personally want to cut them into small pieces. So after putting our veggies, we are going to add salt and pepper to them. And voila, our dinner is ready. So it's time to plate it, and this is my favorite part because it includes food. And like I said earlier, you guys, I really like putting like a heavy bed of salad, because then I know it's going to fill me up and I don't have to like eat anything else. Yeah, so basically just put everything on the plates like I'm doing, and avocado for healthy fats, which is really good. And then of course I forgot something as usual. I like the chicken the way it is, but I want to like cut it into smaller eatable, easily eatable pieces. And yeah, I'm going to cut that up right now. So drizzle some of the juices from the tray bake. You don't have to make a separate marinade because this is just perfect. And yeah, that's what my food looks like, and it's awesome. The onions are just nicely crunchy. Oh my god, the chicken is sweet, soft, not overly cooked. It's just perfect, it's just right. So guys, basically you can see I make large meals, but I make sure they're healthy just so I don't snack in between. Right now I'm still up snacking a little bit just because I'm getting used to the routine, but I make sure all my snacks are healthy. Like I had a banana, and then I had a handful of mixed nuts and like 3 teaspoons of Greek yogurt, and that was it. And then I had breakfast, and now this is dinner. I had breakfast at midday, and this is dinner at 6. And yeah, and that will be it for the day. But damn, let me go in for the avocado. Oh my god, it's amazing. Okay guys, all this food just complements each other, and I don't want you guys to watch me eating, so I'm gonna go ahead and say bye. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more healthy recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, ring the bell right next to it to be notified the next time I upload a new video. Bye guys.